Hi, what's up, everyone? So today I would like to give you quick update. So this was my trade in the last update, right? So along with that, today is expiry date. So I have seen two things. One is open interest, slightly bearish, but there is a good support here. This is OA change data, slightly bearish, but if you see this overall OI, it is not much difference. So it looks choppy. That's why what I did. So there is another addition to the monthly weekly combo. So as this is the expiry date, I'm also going to sell some calls from the top, even though the straddle is moved up. I mean, the market is above from the straddle. So we were selling only P weekly. So we have opportunity to sell P C weekly because there is market is choppy. So see, it is just going in between this. Even if it comes till this level, I can play with C and P. Once it breaks any of these levels, so I will have to decide whether to have P or C in the weekly. So we were playing only with the week P, and let's see how it looks with. I have already sold some of the C's. For example, if you see, so this additionally 10 more lots. Along with 1 is to 4, I had it for some more because I want to utilize 20 lakhs capital completely. So some C's I have sold, 20 lots overall, and hedged also. I'll take the decision based on the chart pattern now. So this is to increase my ROI. So there is a good opportunity in every expiry. Last expiry I missed because I was not at the place, so I could not increase my ROI. So last 2 days of expiry, you will get good opportunity to boost. See, when you have base iron fly, your psychology works better to improve the ROI. Otherwise, when you do separately buying or selling, no, your psychology will not work properly because there will not be any reference trades or supporting trades. So that's how you can utilize additional selling. See, if it becomes single digit, I'll exit and come close to this. So that's how you can increase the profit. Okay. So this is another trick I would like to give you guys. What else? Yeah. So overall profit now, I think somewhere 40, yeah, 47, more than 2%. I'm trying to make it as close to 3% today. So we can do it if the market is choppy. If it is trendy, I will decide what to do. Okay. So this is how you can utilize the expiry trade, expiry date. So we are still will within the monthly weekly combo, and we are increasing the profit. Okay. I hope you also getting good profit. Uh, you can update in the comment box how is your trades. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.